Hey everybody, this is Yvonne or Dragon Winds, depending on how you know me. On this channel, we are 420 friendly. I sell and create CBD and hemp infused products, bath products, teas, uh, ingredients for spells, and things of that nature. On this channel, I will be um, highlighting a lot of my own products as well as techniques, craft techniques, tea making techniques, and occasionally I may include some, not spells per se, but spell elements, different, I'll feature different herbs as it were. But just as previously, this channel was mainly just me explaining who I am, what I do. That has not changed. It's just that my venue and my focus has changed a bit. Let me take my necklace out. Where am I off today? I'm hiding it from the cats. But anyway, my focus has changed. My business model has changed. I'm more into organic teas and bath products. I'll be introducing different products and techniques on how to use my products, what I'm using my products with and on, demos and giveaways, contests, and a lot of these videos will be directed directly at my group and my own social network, also named Lady Slings the Brews. So, welcome. I'm glad to have you, and let's dive right in and make some tea, learn about some herbs and how they connect to our spirituality.